Right, welcome back to the channel. Hello everyone, how are we? Yeah, Sunday uploads now, Sunday at 6 o'clock by popular request. So every Sunday at 6 without fail. I told you for a long time we had a project car coming, and I've finally got a car. I'm not going to reveal it to you just yet. But yeah, got the Leon's taking a deposit on it, so I've just got to do the rear brakes, disc and pads on it, and a few other little bits, and that's going Saturday coming, so the day before the video goes up, the Leon will go. Made a good amount of money on it, to be fair. So yeah, gonna be sad, not sad to see it go, but happy to see it go to the new owner. Lovely old boy come and bought it, test drove it, loved it. So yeah, I'll flip you around like that. But yeah, the new project car is a lot of people kind of knew what was coming next, because obviously how much I like them. But before we get into that, actually, we're back to Regan. What happened with Regan? I said in the last video, I said it was either going to go get fixed or I was going to break it, and I'm afraid it's the latter. I had to break it to even have a chance of getting to breaking even. I had to break Regan, so Regan is in absolute bits at the minute, and she's going to the scrapyard in the next few days. So it's going to be sad to see that car go. We take the DSG gearbox out of it and a few other bits before it can go. I've sold the front bumper, wings, glove box, double din, fascia, a few other little bits so far. So yeah, I'm not going to reveal to you the project car just yet, because that's going to be in the next video. I'm going to make you wait a little bit longer, because I think that's only fair. I've had to wait a long time for this car, so to find the right one, a good example. So it's but yeah, I'm going to do the rear brakes, disc and pads on the Leon. I want to get you on the tripod and get that videoed, and then obviously in the next video I'll show you the new project car. So right, rear brakes, disc and pads on the Leon. Yeah, gonna crack on with it basically. Today's Thursday, car's going Saturday. I took a deposit from a lovely man, and I promised him I'd do the back disc and pads on it, so just gonna do that. Got a set of Brembos ready to go. Bought a one back tool for the first time ever, so gonna crack on basically. I'll get you on the tripod, we'll crack on. Boom. Anyway, we're going to strip Regan. Regan's being picked up. I called it Regan because it said Regan on the number plate. Regan's getting picked up by Robbie, my mate, going to scrapyard tomorrow, first thing in the morning. Today's Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday. So need to take the interior out, take the steering wheel out, get the back seats out, back door cards out. Robbie's going to take the engine and gearbox out of me, hopefully. I'm yet to ask him yet that. Yeah, she's basically in a bit of a state, to be fair. Wheels are coming off when she goes on the recovery truck. Yeah, S-line seats in the flat bottom and that. DSG gear selector's got to come out. I'll show you the state of the engine at the minute. Got all this scuttle panel, boost pipes, wiper motor. Bonnet needs to come off really. ECU is ready to come out, needs to get a grinder on the security tabs. Inlet manifold's off, the brand injector off. Yeah, Robbie's going to help, hopefully Robbie's going to help me take the engine and gearbox out. And then yeah, but yeah, Regan, that's the end of Regan basically. Need to take the red pack off as well, just don't want to do it on my driveway, make a mess. But yeah, this is kind of the end of Regan basically. Sad, but all good things must come to an end, and the 2 days I had it back driving, it was phenomenal. Did launch control on it and everything, but it's all good must come to an end. Some clips in the video of me breaking Regan. Need to rid this some pads on the lay on. I don't know if you can see it, it's up there. So I'll get some clips of that as well. And then the next video will be introducing my new project car. You'll all pretty know what it is or have a vague clue, but yeah, the new project car is pretty cool. It's going to be something really special, I'll tell you that. Really special. Everyone goes on, yeah, everyone goes on about me about these cars, but it's going to be, yeah, stay tuned for the next video. That's going to be pretty epic.